Our company wants to keep the fact that our real estate is a developed landfill a secret. This is not a good idea. Our customers should be able to trust us, but the good news is we can use this to our advantage. This opportunity can improve our sales. We can use this by selling sustainability. Let's start from the beginning. Sustainability is all about keeping things green, like recycling, efficiency, and more. So why should we sell sustainability? Because that is what consumers love. 69% of consumers say that sustainability is important to them. 2/3 of consumers say that they would pay more money for sustainable products versus just regular ones. 1/3 of millennials say they will choose a more sustainable option if it's available, and 85% of consumers are purchasing more sustainably already. These numbers prove that if we sell our real estate as sustainable, since it's a developed landfill, we will be successful. People are willing to pay more. It helps them feel better as consumers, and it inspires them. However, 41% of consumers think that corporations aren't actually sustainable, and 78% don't know how to find a good company. This data shows how consumers don't trust companies right now. They don't know who to buy from to be sustainable. Therefore, we need to step up. Making it obvious that buying our homes is a sustainable choice is a great move for us. People love to be guided in the right direction. So, how can we have people gain trust in us? We need to be upfront and honest about how we operate. This will help them trust us. Honesty is so important when creating a relationship with customers. We also need to ensure that the landfill is actually safe and that we've developed it right. So, how can we do that? What needs to be done? The main things to worry about are keeping out landfill, gas, and odor. In the past, landfill development projects have been a big problem, and this is because of landfill gas and odors. We also need to install floating foundations since the ground might be unstable because of its past. We also need to figure out a way to control stormwater. This will help our development happen safely and successfully. I know it seems overwhelming, but it can be done, and we need to advertise it. Here are some successful examples. This little village spot used to be a landfill. Now in its place is a spot with flower beds, grasses, and plants. The area is now home to a great community which tourists flock to come see. Many parks in New York City have been developed from landfills. They feature things like horseback riding trails, kayak launches, marinas, and more. This is amazing. In the end, it is very simple. Telling people about the landfill can be used to our advantage. If we advertise it as a sustainable option for real estate, this can bring us huge success. Just remember, sustainability sells. Thank you.